Xiaomi Mi A4 concept introduction. Front back glass aluminum frame protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. .2" Super AMOLED display, 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5 by 9 ratio. Android One, Android version 10Q. Snapdragon 675 Soc Adreno 612 GPU. 4GB, 6GB or 8GB RAM, 64GB, 128GB or 256GB storage option. microSD card support up to 512GB. 3.5mm jack also available. (64MP quad rear camera with dual LED flash. 32MP selfie shooter with AI Beautify. Under display optical fingerprint scanner. Accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass sensor also available. 4G, 3G and 2G network support. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and USB Type-C. 4500 mAh battery with fast battery charging.